Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Supabase Auth in a SvelteKit app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Supabase Auth in a SvelteKit app, start by setting up your Supabase project. Visit the Supabase website and create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, click on New Project to initiate a new project setup. Fill in the required details such as your project name and database password. Once your project is created, navigate to the Authentication section in the left sidebar. Here, you will find options to configure authentication settings. Take note of your Supabase URL and the public API key found in the settings. Next, open your SvelteKit project in your code editor. Install the Supabase client library by running npm install at supabase/supabase.js in your terminal. Create a new file named supabase.js in your src directory. Import the create client function from Supabase in supabase.js. Initialize the Supabase client using your Supabase URL and public API key. In your src/routes directory, create a new file for the authentication page, like login.svelte. In login.svelte, import the Supabase client you set up. Create a form that allows users to enter their email and password. Add an event listener for form submission to handle user authentication. Inside the event listener, use the Supabase client to call the sign-in method with the user's credentials. Handle the response by checking if the user successfully authenticated or if an error occurred. If successful, redirect the user to a secure area of your app, like a dashboard. If there's an error, display a friendly message to the user. To manage the user session, set up a store that tracks the authentication state. In src/hooks.js, create middleware to check for user authentication on protected routes. Implement logout functionality by adding a button that calls the signout method from the Supabase client. Finally, test your application to ensure authentication works as expected. You should now have a fully functioning Supabase Auth integrated into your SvelteKit app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.